Hey Siri, where's the closest McDonald's at?
The closest McDonald's is 45 pounds away, you fat fuck. As your personal assistant, I suggest you eat a salad before you die of obesity.
What?
Starting route to the nearest gym.
The gym?
Head northeast too.
I said McDonald's.
I refuse to provide directions to the nearest McDonald's as you are fat. So fat, the picture of you from last Christmas is still printing. You're so fat the only letters you know in the alphabet are KFC. You're so fat when you stepped on the scale, Buzz Lightyear came out and said,
Where does voice come from?
You're so fat that when you sit on the toilet, it starts saying A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Get your fat ass off of me. You're so fat that your family moved 3 states away from you, but they could still see you.